Hello sir, myself Rani Karale. My seminar topic is alpha helix structure of protein. First, content introduction to the alpha helix. Second, what is the alpha helix? Third, structure of the alpha helix. Fourth, properties of the alpha helix. Introduction to the alpha helix. We know that the proteins are the building blocks of all living organism. When the structure of the proteins can be divided into four level of organization. First, primary structure. Second is secondary structure. Third, tertiary structure. Fourth, quaternary structure. Proteins are the important class of biological macromolecules, which are the polymers of amino acids. Proteins are large biomolecules and macromolecules that comprise one or more long chain of amino acid residues. Proteins are large complex biomolecules that play many critical role in body. Alpha helix. Pauling and Cowrie identify the alpha helix and beta plated sheet. When Pauling and Cowrie found that the polypeptide chain with planar peptide bond will form right-handed helical structure by the simple twist from alpha carbon to the nitrogen and alpha carbonyl carbon bond. This helical structure is called alpha helix. The alpha helix it is a common motif in the secondary structure of proteins. The alpha helix is also called as classic Pauling-Cowrie-Branson D alpha helix. It is a right-handed spiral structure, 2 helix and 3.6 amino acid, and the pitch is 3.5 angstrom. Alpha helix it is the most common secondary structure. They are regular structure that repeat every 5.4 angstrom. It is the simplest arrangement of polypeptide chain, and alpha helix it is a rigid rod-like structure that form when polypeptide chain twist into the right-handed helical conformation. Pitch of the alpha helix, repeating unit of the helix, and pitch of the single turn of the helix which can extend about 5.4 angstrom polypeptide. Right-handed alpha helix are energetically more stable and only present. What is the alpha helix? It is a coiled structural arrangement of the many proteins that consisting of the single chain of the amino acids. They can stabilized by the hydrogen bond is called as alpha helix, and the alpha helix it is a common motif in the secondary structure of the proteins. Structure of the alpha helix. The amino acids in the alpha helix are arranged in a right-handed helical structure. They can arranged by helical loop-like structure. Alpha helix has the 3.6 residues per turn. NH group of the amino acids they can invalid in one ring of the alpha helix. Pitch of the alpha helix and the vertical distance between the consecutive turn of the helix it is 5.4 angstrom. There are the three main secondary structures are alpha helix, second beta plated sheets, third beta turn. The properties of the alpha helix it is a rod-like structure and it is tightly packed by the coil polypeptide backbone core stabilized by the hydrogen bonding. Side chain can extend outward side. Pitch is 5.4 angstrom and amino acid residues per turn is 3.6. Secondary structure. The segment of the polypeptide strand repeatedly coil and fold in the pattern which contribute overall the conformation. Secondary structure it consists alpha helix, beta plated sheet and the beta turn. It consists secondary structure it can consist of alpha helix, collagen helix, third beta plated sheet, fourth beta bands, fifth non-repetitive structure, sixth super secondary structure. Pauling and Cowrie that found polypeptide chain either planar peptide bond will form a right-handed helical structure by the simple twist from a alpha carbon to the nitrogen and carbonyl carbon bond that helical structure of the alpha helix, and it is also called as classic Pauling-Cowrie-Branson alpha helix. Pauling and Cowrie found that the polypeptide chain with the planar peptide bond and will form a right-handed helical structure, and it is a simple twist of the alpha carbon to the nitrogen and alpha carbon to the carbonyl carbon bond, and the helical structure is alpha helix. It is also alpha helix it is also called as alpha because the first structure elucidated by the Linnaeus Pauling and Robert Cowrie. Thank you sir.